Cooking is an art, but your cookware is the artist's tool. If you're looking for a frying pan that combines modern innovation, safety, and durability, this Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan might just be your perfect match. With its hybrid honeycomb ceramic design, non-toxic composition, and stay-cool handle, this pan is built to elevate your cooking game while ensuring the health of your loved ones. In this review, we'll explore every feature that sets this frying pan apart, how it transforms everyday cooking, and why it's a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Why Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan stands out? The market is flooded with non-stick pans, but Redchef goes a step further. By integrating a hybrid honeycomb ceramic structure with tri-ply construction, it delivers unmatched non-stick performance, durability, and safety. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this pan adapts to all your needs. Top features of the Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan. 1. Hybrid honeycomb structure for superior non-stick performance. The innovative hybrid honeycomb ceramic structure ensures your food glides effortlessly across the pan. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings that can chip or peel, this design maintains its integrity, even with regular use. Cooking eggs, pancakes, or sautéed vegetables? You'll experience hassle-free food release every time without needing excessive oil or butter. 2. Scratch-resistant surface. Gone are the days of babying your non-stick pans. Thanks to the honeycomb pattern, the surface can withstand metal utensils like spatulas and spoons, stirring with electric mixers, daily use without compromising its performance. This scratch-resistant design means your pan stays looking and performing like new, meal after meal. 3. Tri-ply construction for even heating. The pan's tri-ply construction features an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel. This ensures rapid and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. Faster cooking times and energy efficiency. Perfectly seared meats and evenly cooked dishes every time. 4. Safe and non-toxic composition. Your health is Redchef's priority. The pan is PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food. Additionally, it's free from lead and cadmium, making it a safe choice for your family. 5. Stovetop and oven safe. Whether you're cooking on a gas stove, induction, or popping your pan in the oven, this frying pan is to the task. It's oven safe, allowing you to finish dishes like frittatas or bake delicious one-pan meals with ease. 6. Stay cool handle for comfort and safety. The ergonomically designed cast stainless steel handle remains cool during stovetop use, offering a secure grip for confident handling, enhanced comfort during prolonged cooking sessions, peace of mind, especially during low-heat cooking. 7. Effortless cleaning. Hate scrubbing after a hearty meal? The non-stick ceramic coating makes cleaning a breeze. A simple wipe with warm water and mild detergent removes residue, saving you time and effort. Plus, the pan is dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Who will benefit from the Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan? Health-conscious cooks. Avoid harmful toxins with this non-toxic cookware. Busy families. Save time with quick, even cooking and easy cleanup. Home chefs. Create restaurant-quality meals with even heat distribution. Gifting enthusiasts. Perfect for weddings, housewarmings, or holiday gifts. How Redchef enhances your cooking experience. Save time with even heating. No more waiting endlessly for your pan to heat up or dealing with burnt spots. The tri-ply construction ensures consistent performance, so every dish turns out just as you imagined. Healthier cooking, less oil. The superior non-stick surface lets you cook with minimal oil, promoting healthier eating habits without compromising on taste. Durability meets versatility. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or tackling an elaborate dinner, this pan's durability and versatility mean it'll be your go-to for years to come. Why the Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan is worth it. The Redchef Non-Stick Frying Pan offers a winning combination of innovative design, safety, and performance. Its hybrid honeycomb structure and tri-ply construction provide a cooking experience like no other, while its non-toxic composition ensures your family's health. From breakfast omelets to gourmet dinners, this pan delivers consistent, reliable results. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware to something that truly meets your needs, the Redchef Frying Pan is the way to go. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.